Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe followed by the bell. Apple has begun ramping up display production for the iPhone 15 lineup, with shipments expected to be higher than iPhone 14 series, despite rumored production issues. Every model in the iPhone 15 lineup is expected to have a dynamic island, which complicates display production. Previous reports suggested that LG Display was encountering issues with producing the thin-bezeled, hole-punched displays. A new report from display supply chain consultants counters this report, stating that LG Display has overcome these early production issues and display orders have ramped up. The iPhone 15 component order ramp-up has increased to be even higher than iPhone 14 orders for the June to August period tracked by the report. It seems LG Display was specifically having issues with cutting out the holes for the selfie camera and Face ID components, which led to growing dark spots. A new process was introduced to prevent problems by essentially building a dam around the cutout. The report reiterated other details about the iPhone 15 lineup, like Apple's possible price increase of each model by $100. Plus, it mentioned the rumored display size increases and the incoming USB-C port. The history of DSCC and Ross Young give credence to this report. We've ranked this as a likely rumor, given the supply chain data in play. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 15 lineup during an event in September. It would include iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max. To predict the iPhone 15 launch date, you can look at past events and their release trends. Typically, Apple chooses either the first or second week of September for its annual iPhone, often favoring Tuesdays, though sometimes opting for Wednesdays. For instance, the iPhone 14 was announced on September 7th, and 3 out of 4 models were available for purchase starting September 16th, while the iPhone 14 Plus came later. On October 7th, if Apple announces the iPhone 15 lineup and the iPhone 15 mini isn't there, I think that's enough indication that the phone, at least as a flagship model, is truly dead. However, since we have a shot at it taking over as the new iPhone SE, my spirits will not be broken if it is notably missing from September's keynote. The iPhone SE is usually updated in the spring, and Apple normally takes a couple of years to make an update anyway. That is it, guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below. And if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. One, peace out.